Hello, and welcome to the session, everybody. How is everyone doing? And yes, welcome back to the session. I hope all of you had a blast of a day today. So, here we are with a new week, new chapter, and the same old teacher. Yeah. So, let's get started. How many people do we have? Amazing. And hi Virat, hi Akshara, hi Namita. All good? Hello Arushi. Welcome to the class, guys. So why are there only 36 people live? Come on, I want all of you to call in all your friends because today we are going to have some amazing fun learning algebraic expressions and identities. Guys, this is one of the most important, one of the most easiest topic ever. But a lot of you actually are scared of this topic because I have seen comments saying, ma'am, please take algebraic expressions and identities, factorization and all. But I'm going to make your life easier and the topic much easier, right? So whom all do we have? Just give me 1 minute. I will refresh so that I can get the live chat. Okay, cool. Got it. Do you remember me, Akshara? Definitely I remember you. Hi Shivam, hi Shishant, hi Aditya, hi Charvi. Your favorite chapter? That's amazing. And Kritika, thank you so much. So let us get started. I'm going to start the session with a quick intro about myself. My name is Haripriya and I will be your maths master teacher here in Vedantu. So you can see I've done my masters in mathematics. So you know the love I have towards this subject and I want to imbibe the same kind of love in each and every student watching this session right now. You can also follow me on Instagram, haripriya.vedantu, and get a sneak peek into the life of your favorite teachers. Everybody is on Instagram. You can follow them. My handle here is haripriya.vedantu, right? So everyone, if you're new to this channel, anybody who is new to this channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I can see 107 people live, not happy at all. Guys, do not forget to like the video and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, if you ask me, ma'am, kyun kare subscribe? What is that we're going to get from this channel? It's one solution to all your problems because we teach grade 6, 7th, 8th, math, science, social, English, and also not only studies, we are going to have a lot of fun sessions also. We had a lot of fun sessions in the past. We will definitely have every week, they call as puller sessions, non-academic sessions, where we will also teach you and make sure that you have fun on the channel along with a lot of learning, right? So do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever we come live or whenever any of our videos are published, right? So let us get started with the Super Kids reward batches, a level up motivation so that you will do better in every session during the Mentee. So last time we had Muhammad Khalil. Khalil, are you here? Mentee zarur hoga, Apurv. Don't worry about it. Rohit, thank you so much. Hello ma'am, I'm Shreyash. Hi Shreyash. And yes, I can see that everybody is super duper excited about Mentee. I found algebraic expressions hard. I'm thinking, okay, it's easy. Yes, Pragna, it's super duper easy. You don't have to do anything there. Everything's already given. You just have to juggle little here and there and find the value of that x, right? At the bottom of the leaderboard, we had Anya. Good job, Anya. And these are our homework superstars. We have Shri, Anjali, Anila, Anshika, Brinda, Komal, Charvi, Aditya Kumar, Namo Narayan and Sonu. Good job everybody. And yes, I did not forget the special shout outs who have given extra efforts to tell why is the answer 100%. So we have Vishnu, then we have Charvi Agarwal, then we have Anshika Rai, then we have Shri who is first and have given a clear-cut explanation. Then we have Anjali Kumar, right? So great work everyone, good efforts. So efforts, the special shout out will be given to only those students who put in extra effort and write step-by-step solution. ठीक है? So let's get started. Hi Ranjini, Heart OP is back. Amazing, amazing. I'm only good in addition and subtraction, otherwise okay. Addition and subtraction is one of the most easiest. We're going to learn everything, identities, how and where you should use the identities, सब कुछ सीखेंगे हम, ठीक है? So algebraic expressions and identities is our new chapter during this new week. It's a new day, a Monday. Everybody dreads Monday, but we are going to make it very fun for you, right? So आज हम क्या करने वाले, क्या क्या सीखेंगे इस algebraic expressions and identities में. एक तो मैं देखूंगी कि आपको कितना याद है the one you have learned in grade 7th. Grade 7 में भी हमने algebraic expressions किया है. So in Mentee, we have a lot of questions based on how much you remember of your grade 7th. तो intro देखेंगे हम, then we will see what are terms, factors and coefficients. And then we're going to do a lot of live Mentee. Now, terms, factors and coefficients sound very easy for you. मतलब आपको लगता ही होगा कि मैम ये तो क्या ही है, मतलब this is all is easy peasy. But trust me, the basics, these are the foundation. अगर ये आपको ठीक से नहीं आता है, then building a building on that would not make any sense, right? बहुत कच्चा रहेगा. So let's make our foundation, let's make our basics very clear from today's chapter and do a lot of Mentee, right? So homework submit करना, okay, homework कहाँ submit करना है? तो everyone who was not there from the beginning, homework आपको comment section में करना होगा. For that you have to wait till the end of the session. Once the live has ended, आपको comment section का एक tab दिखेगा below the video. You put in your homework there. ठीक है? Solve करके you submit your homework. Cool? So in the comment section is where you can write all your comments, or that is your homework. Ma'am, how you make people fall in love with you and your teaching? But okay, that is a secret, Anshika. I can't reveal that secret on YouTube. Just kidding, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. You people are super duper smart already. So I hope all of you are ready. हाँ, तो मैं एक सवाल पूछती हूँ आपको. So whenever I say the word mathematics, do you think it's all about numbers? आपको क्या लगता है? सिर्फ numbers है वहाँ पे? Yes, no. Vaibhav says no. बच्चा why? Thank you, Lakshmi. No. Okay, how to remember identities? I'll tell you everything, don't worry. Exactly. So you told कि ठीक है, it's not only about numbers. Then it's about what else? Do you think the alphabets that we use, A to Z, do they completely belong to only English? या हम उसको थोड़ा maths में भी use कर सकते हैं? Can we use it in maths? Yes? Okay, exactly. So whenever we have to solve a question in maths and you have to find out something, because what do we do in maths? We always try to solve problems of mathematics, है ना, and find solution for it. So whenever we have something to find, what do we do? What do we start with? We start with an x. We assume that let the value be x, yeah, let the value be y, let the value be z, right? So we first assume it to be a variable, correct? So what is this? I told variable, but we all know that it is an English alphabet. पर mathematics में हम लोग उसको English alphabet तो बोल नहीं सकते हैं. तो what do we call them? We call them as variables, right? So here are few examples. You must have come across x plus y, 2y minus 10, z by 7, है ना? So you must have come across all of these here. Now let's see what is this algebraic expression जो chapter का नाम है. So this x plus 4 is an algebraic expression. But how are we telling that it is an algebraic expression? अब आप comment section में, sorry, live chat में ये बताओ कि how do you differentiate between a veg biryani and a chicken biryani? आप बताओ. वेज बिरयानी एंड चिकन बिरयानी में क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस है? हाउ विल यू टेल कि हाँ ये वेज बिरयानी है और ये चिकन बिरयानी? यू टेल मी. यू हैव ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड, दैट्स अमेजिंग. चिकन बिरयानी में चिकन रहता है मैम, सो इजी. एग्जैक्टली, चिकन को देखकर आपको पता चलता है. तो बेसिकली आपने क्या किया, बिरयानी के अंदर आपने इंग्रेडिएंट्स देखे कि हाँ चिकन बिरयानी में इंग्रेडिएंट्स है चिकन, चिकन है तो वो हो गया चिकन बिरयानी. वेज बिरयानी में यू हैव ऑल योर वेजिटेबल्स, है ना. you'll have cauliflower, you have aloo, you have what, carrot, beans and all of that, right? So basically you recognize something with its ingredients. So what are the ingredients that you require to build an algebraic expression? What do you need to make an expression? So whenever you have variables, matlab alphabets from A to Z, it can be anything. Variables, constants, it can be natural number, integer, fraction, rational, irrational, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Coefficient, I will tell about this, don't worry, and operators. So these are the basic ingredients that you require to make an algebraic expression. तो पिछले स्लाइड में मैंने बोला कि x plus 4 is an algebraic expression, है ना. तो कैसे पता चला it's an algebraic expression? Because उसमें ingredients है. यहाँ पे एक variable है, एक ऑपरेटर है, वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट है एंड एक कांस्टेंट भी है ना. सो यू हैव ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स दैट यू रिक्वायर टू मेक एन algebraic expression. So you know it's an algebraic expression. But my question to you is 0 an expression? Yes or no? You tell me in the chat box. Exactly, because it has all the ingredients. You are right. Hi Lakshita. Is 0 an algebraic expression? Yes or no? Yes, no, don't know. Oh, बहुत सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं no, but math says something else. Math says yes, it is an expression. Why? Because you can write your 0 as 0x plus 0. ये एक एक्सप्रेशन हो गया, इसका कोएफिशिएंट 0, इट हैज अ वेरिएबल, इट हैज अ कांस्टेंट, इट हैज एन ऑपरेटर, है ना. तो 0 इज ऑल्सो एन algebraic एक्सप्रेशन. सी आपने आज कुछ नया सीखा है, समथिंग वेरी न्यू दैट यू डिडंट नो बिफोर. That 0 can also be called as an algebraic expression because आप 0 को ऐसे लिख सकते हो. You can write it as 0x minus 0. तो इसका वैल्यू 0 हो गया. तो इंग्रेडिएंट्स तो है, यू हैव ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, यू हैव अ वेरिएबल, यू हैव एन ऑपरेटर, यू हैव अ कांस्टेंट, यू हैव अ कोएफिशिएंट. आपके पास सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, तो हाउ कैन यू से दैट इट इज नॉट एन algebraic एक्सप्रेशन? वो एक algebraic एक्सप्रेशन है. ठीक है. वाओ, यस, ऑसम. नाउ let us look at the expressions where they are called as algebraic expressions. तो x square is an expression because x square को आप लिख सकते हो x square plus 0. तो आपके सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स है या नहीं? इन 3 एग्जाम्पल में आर यू फाइंडिंग ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स? येस और नो? रिया, आई विल गिव यू इनफ टाइम इन मेंटी, डोंट वरी. एक्चुअली मेंटी का टाइम मेरे हाथ में है नहीं बच्चा, ठीक है. Yes, all the ingredients are there. Awesome. So yes, these are the examples of algebraic expressions. Now let's move into the next segment where we will be learning about terms, coefficients and दूसरा वाला क्या था? Factors, है ना? तो first let's talk about what are terms. तो हमने ingredients सीख लिया है, variable, coefficient, हम सीखेंगे coefficient के बारे में, and constants, है ना? So this 2x, this 4y and the 9, these are called as the terms. जब आप इनको add करते हो तब आपको एक expression बनता है. So when you add the terms, you form an expression, है ना? So if I say, for example, minus 2y plus 7. So you tell me in the chat box, what are the terms of this algebraic expression? Minus 2y plus 7 में आपका क्या टर्म्स है? क्या क्या टर्म्स है? आपकी और सना मैम की क्लास, सेम टाइम, सेम चैप्टर. व्हाट टू डू? धर्म संकट पे पड़ गए तुम लोग. वी विल ट्राई टू चेंज वन ऑफ द टाइम्स, डोंट वरी, ठीक है. Minus 2y and 7, exactly. Tulu has got it right. Chandra, Vaibhav, Mihika, Charvi and Pratyaksha, amazing, amazing. तो यहाँ पे टर्म्स क्या हो गया आपका? minus 2y, you have to take the negative sign also, and 7. तो जब आप इन दोनों को ऐड करते हो तो आपको आपका algebraic expression बनता है, right? So they are called as the terms. Now what are factors? तो ये हो गया हमारा expression 3a square b plus 4ab square. तो आपके terms क्या हो गए? 3a square b and 4ab square. These are your terms, है ना? But how did you form those terms? वो terms कैसे form हुए, कैसे पैदा हुए? When we multiplied our 3a, a and b. When you multiplied 3 into a into a into b, you got your 3a square b. When you multiplied your 4 into a into b, you got your 4ab square, right? So they are called as the factors. तो अब हम यहाँ पे क्या सीखा है हमने? Suppose you have minus 4axy. So what are the factors here? You tell me in the chat box. What are the factors of minus 4axy? Hi, Yash. वेज बिरयानी को बिरयानी नहीं पुलाव बोलते हैं. एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट. minus 4axy. सही जवाब. Why? Because when we multiplied minus 4 with a and x and y, you got this term or expression minus 4axy, right? तो एक example लेते हैं. What are the factors of the term in the expression 7x square y square plus 9z cube y square? तो हमें क्या चाहिए? Factors. कितने terms है यहाँ पे? आप बताओ. How many terms do you see in this expression? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many terms? Okay, Anshika. 2 terms. Exactly. What are the 2 terms? The terms are 7x square y square and 9z cube y square. These are the 2 terms that we have. तो ये कैसे बन रहे हैं? इसके फैक्टर्स क्या होंगे? 7x x y y और इसका क्या होगा? 9z into z into z into y into y. So when you multiply factors, you will be getting terms. When you add the terms, you will be getting the algebraic expression. So let me become Chutanku here. So first you have your factors. You multiply your factors, you will be getting your terms. And you add your terms, you will be getting your algebraic expression, right? So multiply your factors to get terms, add your terms to get an algebraic expression. Easy peasy? Now, what are coefficients then? Term ho gaya, factor ho gaya. Now what is a coefficient? Let's start with an expression again. 3a plus 2. So कितने टर्म्स हो गए? टर्म 1 है आपका 3a, टर्म 2 is 2. तो 3a में फैक्टर्स क्या है? 3 and a. ये जो नंबर आप देख रहे हो 3, which is getting multiplied to a variable a, that is called as a coefficient. So guys, coefficient is nothing but a constant number which is multiplied with a variable a. है ना? तो आप ये भी सोच सकते हो मैम 2 भी कांस्टेंट है तो क्या उसको कोएफिशिएंट बोल सकते हैं? नो. व्हाई? बिकॉज 2 इज नॉट गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड विद अ वेरिएबल. जब एक नंबर, कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, इज गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइड टू अ वेरिएबल, इट इज नो मोर अ कांस्टेंट. हम उसको नया नाम से बुलाते हैं. व्हाट इज द न्यू नेम? इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ कोएफिशिएंट, राइट? सो दिस इज द कोएफिशिएंट. यश, थैंक यू सो मच. So what is that we have? An expression. It has terms. In this expression 3a plus 2, the terms are 3a and 2. 2 is a constant. How is 3a formed? By multiplying the factors 3 and a. Since 3, a number is getting multiplied to a variable, उसको हम coefficient बोलते हैं. Easy peasy pizza cheesy. है ना? Now, let's move forward here. So in this 4x cube plus 2x square माइनस 3x प्लस 1। तो इसमें नंबर्स क्या क्या दिख रहे हैं आपको? 4, 2, 3 एंड 1। 1 is not a coefficient, it's a constant, क्योंकि 1 is not getting multiplied to any variable. पर यहाँ पे the numbers 4, 2 and minus 3 are getting multiplied with the variable terms. So that's why they are called as the coefficients, right? So now you tell me minus 7x square y plus 17z. What are the coefficients here? In this entire expressions, coefficients क्या क्या है? Minus 7 and 17. Bhaskar, those are the terms, bacha. Minus 7 and 17. Exactly. Good job, guys. Good job. So now let me quickly summarize जो हमने सीखा है before we move to the fun fact here. So what is that we have? We have an algebraic expression. वो expression कैसे बनता है? When you add the terms. वो terms हमें कैसे मिलते हैं? When you multiply the factors, right? Now what are coefficients? ये जो factors है, इसमें if a number is getting multiplied to a variable, so this number becomes a coefficient. ठीक है? So what are terms, factors, coefficients, and what are the ingredients that you require to form an expression? Variables, operators, constants, and coefficients. These are the ingredients which will help you cook an algebraic expression, right? So moving on to fun fact. आपने ये कभी सुना है? When you sneeze, people say bless you. Why? Because when you sneeze, your heart stops for a millisecond. है ना? इसीलिए लंबी उम्र के लिए, right? So they say bless you. ठीक है? So next time whenever somebody sneezes, तो बोल देना bless you. ठीक है? If a variable is getting multiplied to a number, then yes, correct. Lakshmi Nanda, you're right. When a variable is getting multiplied to a number, the number is called as the coefficient. Variable is still a variable, but जो number है, जो constant number है, वो हो जाएगा आपका coefficient. ठीक है? So guys, call in all your friends. Let's do Mentee. So before that, homework question भी होगा, but at the end of the session, top 10 people who have answered it fast and correct, your names will be displayed in the next class. And special shout out to students who make extra effort to explain, give a proper explanation. तो हम quiz शुरू करते हैं. To everybody who is new and don't know how to start with the quizzes, open a separate tab, mentee.com, and I will give you a code. Write that code and we will begin with the war. ठीक है? तो उसके लिए open a new tab and keep. Before that, before the quiz time, I know a lot of you are super duper excited to join us on the Vedantu platform. है ना? So if you want to join us and gain 100% knowledge and 100% marks and have 100% fun, then you have come to the right place. तो अगर आप देखो half yearly भी आने लगा है, almost around the corner. So if you are somebody facing these problems, you have doubts but nobody to clarify. No conceptual clarity because doubts clarify हो नहीं रहे. You need questions and assignments. You're lagging behind your syllabus. You're looking for a revision plan. And you prefer to study in Hindi over English. Then you have come to a right place. Because I am going to give you one solution to all these problems of yours. What is that? Vedantu Pro subscription. तो हमारे नए नए बैचेस भी शुरू हो रहे हैं where you can join us and all of the amazing master teachers, your favorite master teachers here. So CBSE के 13 September and 27 September, 6th, 7th, 8th का नया बैच शुरू हो रहा है. ICSE 4th October, a new batch is starting. Then we have Olympiad, Mathematics batches and Foundation batches for grade 6th, 7th and 8th. Mathematics and Foundation is for grade 7th and grade 8th. Foundation is for grade 8th, 11th October से शुरू हो रहा है. So you can enroll for all these batches by using the coupon code YHPRO. तो आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन में? And then there is a premium batch जहाँ पे बस 15 बच्चे रहेंगे. Only 15 students per batch. So if you enroll for one entire year, then we are giving you a promise. We are making a promise from our side that there will be 100% improvement. If not, then your money will be given back to you. But remember, this is only when you take up for one entire year. तो 1 month का ट्रायल पैक भी है, तो आपको अगर आपको ट्राई करना है कि वेदांतु का प्लेटफॉर्म कैसे है, हाउ एक्साइटिंग इट इज, सो आई एम गोइंग टू फॉर शो यू ऑल ऑफ दैट. यू कैन ट्राई इट आउट फॉर 1 month एज वेल, राइट. तो इस 1 month या 1 year के पैकेज में आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा? So you will be getting unlimited live classes with fun and high level quizzes. So I know half of you are here for Mentee, है ना, to make sure that your name is on the leaderboard, right? To score really good marks over hundreds of students sitting across the country. तो यहाँ पे ये जो quizzes है, Mentee जो है, we call it quizzes here, वो हर 5-10 minute में होता है. So we clear a small topic, we explain a small topic, there will be quizzes. Again a small topic, again quizzes, right? So there will be fun and high level quizzes on the platform. It's going to be super duper fun. Leaderboard रहेगा, fastest fingers list रहेगा, बहुत कुछ रहेगा. अगर आपने मिस कर दी क्लास, ठीक है, हो सकता है इंटरनेट इश्यूज है, कजन्स आ गए, पार्टी पे जाना है, बाहर जाना है, खाने के लिए बाहर जाना है ना, और यू मे बी जस्ट वांट टू टेक अ ब्रेक फॉर 1 day, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो डू अ इंटरैक्टिव रिप्ले. तो यूट्यूब पे भी रिप्ले मिल जाता है, बट यू कांट डू मेंटी इन अ रिप्ले, राइट. जो आप रिप्ले देखते हो उसमें मेंटी तो कर नहीं सकते आप, बट हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म में यू कैन ऑल्सो डू मेंटी अगेन even if you miss the live class. कैसे? Let me show it to you. Let me show कि how can you do that, right? So let me become Chutanku here. एक तो once you enroll with us on the platform, आपको एक पूरा कैलेंडर मिलेगा जिसपे कब कौन से क्लासेस है, which teacher, everything will be given to you. Every schedule will be given to you and you will not miss out on any class. तो माई सेशंस पे अगर आप जाओगे तो दिस इज द टाइम टेबल. आज का जैसे मेरा टाइम टेबल है, आपका भी टाइम टेबल बनेगा. सो व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन पास्ट सेशंस, लुक एट दिस, व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन पास्ट सेशंस यू गेट टू वॉच द सेशन का रिप्ले. मैंने एक सेशन रिप्ले आपके लिए ओपन कर रखा है यहाँ पे. तो एज यू कैन सी आई हैव टॉट एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर्स फॉर grade 8. तो यू कैन सी द कंटेंट हियर, राइट. यू कैन सी द फन दैट वी हैव. We have a lot of fun in the class. मैं unmute uncam करके बच्चों के साथ खूब बातें करती हूँ. We have a lot of fun along with doubt solving and everything. अगर आप doubt solving का पार्ट देखोगे तो 248 doubts were asked and all the 248 doubts were clarified during the class. I know एक टीचर के साथ तो ये मुमकिन नहीं है, तो इसीलिए we have super amazing class teachers who are nothing but your doubt experts who will clarify all your doubts during the class. तो मैं थोड़े डाउट्स क्लैरिफाई करती हूँ, जब मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ तो क्लास टीचर्स डाउट सॉल्व करेंगे. सो लाइक दैट देयर इज एन अमेजिंग कोऑपरेशन बिटवीन अस. तो ट्राई ऑल्टरनेट रिप्ले, यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, ट्राई ऑल्टरनेट रिप्ले. सो व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन ट्राई ऑल्टरनेट रिप्ले you will get to do the quizzes again and again even if you miss the class or you have already attended the class, right? तो यहाँ पे तो मैं बच्चों के साथ खूब बात करती हूँ. You can see Anshika Rai here, who is always there on every platform, every YouTube live of mine. You can see Gayatri, you can see Samashri, and we also spoke to a lot of amazing students. Surya Prakash, who is my 9th class student, he is in 9th class right now. But ऐसे ही fun करने आ जाता है class में. So like this, we have a lot of fun, lot of chit chat during the class after studying. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं कि पढ़ा नहीं रहेंगे, पढ़ाई भी होती रहेगी. Once we complete, जो extra time मिलेगा उस पे हम लोग chit chat भी कर सकते हैं. We will do doubt solving. Your names will be there on the fastest fingers list. Now fun thing is you can get notes. Suppose exponents and powers का जो मैंने सेशन लिया है, आपको उसके notes चाहिए, तो all the notes will be given to you. You can download the notes. पूरे exponents and powers जो भी मैंने कल का क्लास लिया था, every problem that we solved, every theorem, सब कुछ you will be getting in terms of in this form of the slides. यहाँ पे download button है, click on that download button and that's it. You have all these slides for yourself. यहाँ पे टीचर जो हैंड रिटन हम लिखते हैं, सॉल्व करते हैं, वो भी आपको मिलेगा. एंड इंस्टेंट सोल्यूशन जो टाइप्ड सोल्यूशन है वो भी आपको मिलेगा. सो फ्री नोट्स है ना, अमेजिंग सेशन, चिट चैट ड्यूरिंग द सेशन, योर नेम्स गेटिंग डिस्प्लेड. and also doubt solving during the class. So all your problems are solved. So what is that you have to do? Go to any of my video. This is my previous video where we did one short revision of comparing quantities. देख लेना. So in this video, you go to the description box. अभी जो आप वीडियो देख रहे हो उसके भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में यू कैन सी वेदांतु प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन टू गेट 10% डिस्काउंट. तो अगर आपको सीबीएसई, ओलंपियाड, मैथमेटिक्स, आईसीएसई, महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड या जेई नीट फाउंडेशन जो आपको एनरोल करना है, आप उस लिंक पे क्लिक कर लेना. सो इफ यू वांट टू एनरोल फॉर नॉर्मल सीबीएसई एनसीईआरटी सिलेबस के लिए तो यू कैन सी क्लिक ऑन दैट. यू विल रीच दिस अमेजिंग वेबसाइट जहां पे आपको 3 टाइप्स के प्लान है. प्रो लाइट, प्रो क्लासिक, प्रो प्रीमियम. प्रो लाइट में यूल हैव लाइव इंटरैक्टिव क्लासेस, टेस्ट सीरीज एंड एनालिसिस, असाइनमेंट्स, फ्री डाउनलोडेबल नोट्स, डाउट सॉल्विंग ड्यूरिंग द क्लास. So basic amenities that you require for an online class, everything is there for Pro Lite. If you want doubt solving after the class also, then you can go for classic subscription. And then we have premium subscription where only 15 students will be there and you will also get a personal mentor. So all this you can try for 1 month. Here is where you can apply your coupon code. View all offers में अगर आप coupon code हटा दोगे so it's for 2,100 and for long term batch it's 26, almost 27,000. So if you apply my coupon code YHPRO, this comes down to 24,300 and this is 1890, the 1 month trial pack. So try for this Vedantu Pro Lite subscription for 1 month and see how it goes, and then you can extend your plan further also. All amazing teachers will be there. Your schedule is already given to you here. कि maths कब होगा, science कब होगा, class 1, class 2, general knowledge, everything will be given to you in one platform. If you're for one entire year with us, there is something called We Nurture, where we take up extracurricular activities. जो आपको CCA period होता था स्कूल में for extracurricular activities, we're going to do all of that online also with a lot of fun. Right? So all you have to do is click on this link which is active right now under the description box and don't forget to use my coupon code YHPRO. Right? तो आपने देख लिया, you can compete with students throughout the world. We can have a lot of fun on the video call during the class and you will be having free premium downloadable notes with handwritten content in the class doubt solving, free unlimited micro courses. So for example, you did not understand, let's say, squares and square roots. So you can take up a micro course with your favorite maths teacher and do that chapter again. It's only chapter specific. जो chapter आपके test में आ रहा है मे बी कल, तो you can do micro courses of that chapter and be all prepared. And for people with pro subscription, there are few special pro subscription classes where you can take up and only for pro subscription students. See, as I promised, all your doubts, all your problems have been solved. Doubt solving आपने देख लिया, on point है. Now once your doubts are solved, your weak understanding of concepts does not exist anymore, है ना? Test and assignments will be there. Free downloadable notes in the form of PDF is given to you. Revision plan whenever you have your half yearlies, final exams, revision भी हम करवा देंगे, whatever syllabus you have. And अगर आपको हिंदी में चाहिए तो you can enroll for a Hindi batch. If you want to study in English, you can enroll for an English batch. So language problem भी solve हो गया. So remember, the more classes you do on the platform, micro courses, webinar, master classes, long-term courses, the less amount you're paying. So all you have to do is click on the link in the description box and use the coupon code YHPRO. आ जाओ class में, बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती करेंगे. Do not forget to apply the coupon code. You will be getting huge discounts and the coupon code is YHPRO. Right? So chalo, let's move on to the fun part here, which is the Mentee. So the code is 49334804. Call in all your friends, guys. Call in all your friends. Thank you, Anshika. I took Sanskrit, Akshara. I took Sanskrit. Vaibhav, my blessings are always with you. Come on, guys. Are you all ready? for the battle of the brains. 176 people, that's amazing. That is 176 brains is what I'm talking about. Chalo. अच्छा, comment वाला कर्ज हट गया. Very nice. Love you too, Smiley. Battle of the brains. Yes, that's a good one, right? So let's make it a logo. Let's make it our, what do you call it? I don't know what do you call it, but abhi let's call it Battle of the Brains. Whenever we are doing Mentee with Haripriya Ma'am, it's called not Mentee, it's called Battle of the Brains. Chalo. Thank you, Satvika. Chalo. I hope all of you are ready. I'll start in 3, 2, 1, and I can see only 113 people joined. Why, guys? Why? Homework question will be displayed after the Battle of the Brains. Okay? Rishikesh, you asked that to Surbhi ma'am only. Okay? You asked Surbhi ma'am कि what should I call her? I don't know. आप लोग पूछ के मुझे next class में बता देना. ठीक है? Go spam in her session saying कि what should Haripriya ma'am call you? And then tell me the answer in the next class. Chalo. Let me see all the cute little emojis bubbling up. Awesome, guys. That is amazing. Amazing. Do you eat chicken? But किसी को बताना नहीं. Okay. So here's your first question on your screens right now. An expression contains of only variables and nothing else. Basically, they're telling a biryani consists of only rice and nothing else. Okay, Anshika. And awesome, awesome. The statement is false. Biryani consists of a lot of things. Similarly, expression consists of variables, coefficients, constants and operators. ठीक है? अब तो आप कभी नहीं भूलोगे because I gave you an example of biryani. Let's see who is on the leaderboard. We have Sebastian, Venture, E.T., love you too, whoever it is. Then we have Afif, Ria, A, Snehita, Magical, Rhino, and Anshika Rai, love you too. Here we go with the next question on your screens. I guess I have to make my screen a bit smaller because आपका नाम display नहीं हो रहा है. Which of the following is not an expression? Which of the following is not an expression? X, 2p plus q, 3x minus 7, 5 minus 8. It is not an expression. There's a lot of difference between expression and equation. Oh my God. Guys, x is an expression. X can be written as x plus 0. तो उसका variable हो गया, operator हो गया, constant हो गया, coefficient हो गया. This 3x minus 7 is equal to 0 is not an expression. It's an equation. वो हम पढ़ेंगे अगले क्लास में, ठीक है? But yes, कितने बच्चों ने? 16%. I am super proud of you. Let's look at the leaderboard here. And we have Anshika Rai on top of the leaderboard. Then we have Ojas, Afif, Shubhi, Bhaskar, Charvi, Shri, Unicorn, Arushi and Shravya. Great job, everyone. Let's move on to the third question on your screens right now. Which of the following is an expression? Which of the following is there in an expression? Constant, variable, mathematical operators, all of these. What all are there? What are the ingredients in an expression? जाने मेरी जाने मन का ट्रेंड चला गया. करेक्ट. Exactly. Majority of you have got the correct answer. It's all of the above. An expression consists of constants, variable, operators, and also coefficients. Let's look at the leaderboard. Is Anshika still leading? Looks like Anshika is still leading. Awesome. आज बहुत मजा आने वाला है. अंशिका, ओजस, चार्वी, अफीफ, शुभी, यूनिकॉर्न, भास्कर, आरुषि, श्री and Shravya. Your next question is on your screens right now. Hi Arshita, yes, I remember you. How many terms are there in the expression x plus y minus 3z? कितने terms है? 1, 2, 3 या 4? Awesome guys, you people were such में listening to the class. मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. So what is the difference between an expression and an equation? Jyoti, in an equation you have an equal to symbol. In an expression you do not have an equal to symbol, right? So let's look at the leaderboard here. Anshika is on fire. Charvi is trying to climb up. Amazing. So we have Anshika, Ojas, Charvi, Bhaskar, Shubhi, A, Shri, Shravya, Gargi and Arushi. Here we go with the fifth question on your screens. Pro Bachcha Party ma'am, correct. What is the coefficient of P in the expression minus 3P minus 7 plus 2Q? What is the coefficient of P? 3 minus 3, 2 minus 7. Awesome, it's minus 3. Guys, जब आप negative number है तो you have to take the entire number. Your 3 cannot become minus 3 or minus 3 cannot become 3. है ना? So the coefficient is minus 3 and not just 3. And let's see. Ma'am, A for Ambika. Acha, that is Ambika. Okay, Ambika. Ambika is the fastest. We have Anshika, Ojas, Charvi, Bhaskar, Ambika, Gargi, Shravya, Shri, Arush and Nikunj. Your last leaderboard changing question is on your screens. Take micro course for cubes and cube roots. I will definitely do that, Arshita. We have already done it, but we'll do it again. Don't worry. In the expression 3ABC, there are 4 factors. Is it true or false? How did you cook your 3ABC? How did you make it? Does it have 4 factors? True, false, don't know. Awesome, I can see a lot of you answering it right. Okay, the statement is true. The 4 factors are 3, A, B and C. So these are the 4 factors that we have. I told you, leaderboard changing question hoga ye wala. Let's look at the leaderboard. Anshika, are you winning today? Looks like Anshika is winning today. Awesome. Dil se bulaya. Ashutosh Aya is here. Chocolate cake is also there. So we have Anshika, right. Love you too. Leading the leaderboard. Amazing. Amazing. Good job everybody on the leaderboard. Sabne khoob machaya aaj. And do not forget, if you want to have more fun like this, click in the link in the description box or the pinned comments and use the coupon code to come to my class and have a lot of fun. तो ये रहा आपका homework question. Write 2 expressions with one variable and 1 constant, 2 variables and 2 constant. तो 2 expression आपको लिखने पड़ेंगे. One with 1 variable, 1 constant. Second one, 2 variables, 2 constants. तो immediately यहाँ पे तो shout out है नहीं, तो जो भी बढ़िया expressions लिखेगा उसको मैं shout out करूंगी in the next class. The names will be given out in the next class. Okay, your dream come true. Screenshot लेके रख लो अंशिका, ठीक है? So don't forget to follow me on Instagram, haripriya.vedantu. Thank you so much. You people were amazing today. This is your master teacher Haripriya signing off. Bye bye and have a great day.